Home has never been more important. Your front door. It's the heart of your home, the place that holds the people you cherish, the memories you make, and the things you love most. It's where you provide a warm and inviting welcome to friends and family and greet new people. Opportunity is knocking. Reinvent your entryway. Keep the dog in while keeping intruders out. Let the light shine in, but keep the cold out. Let the breeze blow, but keep the bugs out. The Platinum Collection by LARSON enhances your home and provides peace of mind. It's not just a door, it's your protection and connection to the outside world. The Platinum Collection is the ultimate storm door system, complete with a multi-point lock, a sleek modern design, and installation that takes only a few minutes. LARSON doors are handcrafted in the heart of America and designed to enhance your curb appeal. Your entryway should reflect your unique lifestyle. Choose from 4 Platinum models. Available in 5 matte colors with your option of straight or curved handle set in several finishes. Flood your home with light by choosing the Platinum Interchangeable Full Glass model. Remove the full glass seasonally and replace with the included full screen to let fresh air into your home. LARSON invented Screen Away technology. Choose the Platinum Screen Away retractable screen model for ventilation on demand. The built-in screen makes it easy to welcome in the breeze and stays hidden in the top cassette when not in use. Protect your home without steel bars by choosing the Platinum Secure Screen model. The Dominator screen withstands more than 1,000 pounds per inch of force and includes break-in protection. Keep your views intact while protecting your home from unwanted guests. Secure your home beautifully by choosing the Platinum Secure Glass model. The Dominator shield between 2 laminated glass panels keeps intruders out and shields against blunt or sharp objects without compromising your view. So much of your life starts at your front door. At LARSON Manufacturing, we take pride in building products that will be there for all of life's moments. The Platinum Collection by LARSON is no exception. Learn more at larsondoors.com/platinum.